welcome back to Learning English with Isabel. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you vocabulary and pronunciation of my favorite fruits and vegetables. I will be teaching you this lesson with pictures. And by the end of this video, you're going to be able to go shopping knowing the names of 20 fruits and 20 vegetables. Remember, the names of the fruits and vegetables do come in singular and plural. Example would be apple, apples. Apple, banana, blueberry, cherry, melon, lime, orange, kiwi, mango, grape, pineapple, watermelon, peach, plum, pear, strawberry, fig, pomegranate, dragon fruit, raspberry, papaya. Now we have our 20 vegetables. Cabbage, tomato, carrot, potato, pepper, chili, lettuce, cucumber, eggplant or aubergine, onion, cauliflower, garlic, ginger, avocado, asparagus, broccoli, radish, mushroom, peas, and pumpkin. You know the names of the 20 fruits and vegetables. Make sure you eat a lot of them because it's very good for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And also don't forget, leave a comment. Until my next lesson, see you then.